Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add, remove or edit student accounts from your Volt School admin dashboard. After login, click Users, located in the side panel. Click Student and the page will open which allows you to manage all your students. Click Add Student and enter all the required details to enter each student individually. Alternatively, enlist multiple students in one go by importing the list of students. Click Import and download a sample file to enter the details of students. Make sure that you mark all your students in the correct class and section in the Excel file. You can add the entire school in one go or choose to add one class at a time. After entering all the necessary data in the Excel file, save the file. Click Choose File and select the previously saved Excel file and click Upload. All the students' accounts are now created on Viva Volt. To edit any of the students, click Edit. Once done, click Update to save changes. To remove any of the students' accounts, click on the checkboxes and click Remove. This function requires you to enter the admin password. Click Yes and the selected student will be deleted from the Volt website. Thank you for watching.